Good day everyone! Mahilig ko bang mag-coffee? Or mag-milk tea? Tara, gawin nating business yan. Dito sa The Coffee Business Franchising, pag-uusapan natin yan. So to give you a brief description of our business, our journey began by selling products from home, expanding to various food delivery services, and by starting small, The Coffee aimed not only to grow the brand but also to support aspiring entrepreneurs. The coffee story serves as an inspiration for those looking to start small and make a significant impact in the business world. So we mainly support all aspiring entrepreneurs dahil dyan din po kami nag-umpisa. Our mission is to provide high-quality premium coffee at an affordable price, catering to individuals who want a daily refreshing beverage that is both delicious and healthy. The company is committed to offering premium quality beverages for customers to enjoy and connect with others, emphasizing the importance of quality and customer satisfaction in every cup. Our vision is to become the leading provider of refreshing beverages across the Philippines. This aspiration signifies the brand's aim to position itself as a top choice for coffee enthusiasts, highlighting its objective of achieving widespread acclaim and popularity throughout the country. So, why franchise po? Because franchising po is offering a pathway to business ownership with reduced risk and increased potential for success. We also provide unestablished products or services with widespread brand name recognition. Own a system that already works. No need na rin po for extensive training, experience, and skills to run a franchise successfully. And most especially po, higher rate of success than startup business. Kasi unlike po sa mag-uumpisa kayo ng sarili niyong business, marami kayong dapat i-consider. Since starting a business from scratch is very hard, time-consuming, and risky. Kailangan niyo po mag-create ng brand, business plan, sariling menu, maghanap ng location, and reliable supplier. Kailangan nyo rin po mag-develop ng marketing strategy before po kayo mag-start magbenta. Then 90% failure rate daw po pag nag-startup ka ng sariling business from scratch. Ayon naman po sa Philippine Statistic, Filipinos daw po are expected to consume 3.78 kilograms of coffee per person by next year 2025. So possible po na mas tumaas po ang demand ng coffee by 2025 po. So Filipinos daw po consume an average of 2.5 cups of coffee per day. Pero sa akin po nakakatatlo ako. The Philippines daw po is the second largest consumer of coffee in Asia. Because 93% of households buy some coffee every week. At tayo daw po mga Pilipino are kinoconsider na heavy coffee drinkers. So, what are the coffee products offered? So, we have hot coffee, iced coffee, milk tea, fruit milk, and frap. So, ang prices po ng drinks natin ay nagre-range lang po ng 39 to 79 pesos po. Affordable po, di ba? So, paano nga ba mag-franchise kay The Coffee? So, ang original franchise fee po natin before ay 75,000. But we have a promo offer po with limited slots for only 18,999 VAT exclusive po. At ito naman po ang The Coffee Franchise Inclusion na makakuha po ninyo. And the good news here is operational na po ito at pwede na po kayo mag-start agad-agad. And in addition po sa ating package franchise inclusion, we have 1-year contract, marketing collaterals for social media advertisement for your Facebook business page, use of trade name and logo ni The Coffee. Training po natin is pwedeng face-to-face or online para sa malalayong lugar. Magbibigay din po kami ng manual procedure, POS system, food panda assistance, grand opening support, and continuous product innovation and after-sales support. And lastly po, the product costing. Now, let's proceed sa ating profitability or sa ating franchise potential income. Let's say po na nakapagbenta tayo ng 75 cups daily, 100 cups, 150 or 180. So, focus po tayo sa 100 cups daily. For example po, 49 pesos per cup ang nabebenta natin. Multiply po natin sa 100 cup. So, we have 4,900 pesos po. Then, multiply by 30 days. So, we have monthly sales of 147,000. Less pa po natin ang cost of sale or ang ating puhunan na 85,860. So, our monthly total gross profit will be 61,140. Less na rin po natin ang ating other expenses like rent, electricity, water, internet, fuel, salary, and other expense with a total expense of 24,000 po. So, from gross profit less other expense, we have monthly net profit of 37,140. And in just 1 month po, nakapag-ROI na po tayo sa 18,999 na franchise fee po ninyo. Not bad po, di ba? So, dito naman po tayo sa frequently asked questions. Number 1. What are the requirements needed to acquire the coffee franchise? Well, simple lang po. The one-time payment franchise fee of 18,999, your dedication to succeed, and your relationship to your business journey. Second, do you provide location for interested franchisees? So, each franchisee po must secure their own outlet and submit the chosen site to the franchisor for verification and approval. This process is necessary as there is a 2-kilometer requirements from other existing franchisees. Third, what is your minimum required space? Bali po, for those franchisee na gustong maglagay ng cart, to accommodate the cart po with sufficient working space, a minimum area of 7 square meters is required. And for those considering a larger shop space, the stall should ideally be at least 15 square meters or more, depending on the franchisee's preference for a larger establishment. This ensures ample room for operation and customer engagement within the designated area. Number 4. Will you provide assistance in permit processing such as DTI, SEC, BIR, or City Hall? Sa processing of all the permits and licenses needed is a responsibility of the franchisee. 5. Does the company charge royalty fee? Yes. Monthly royalty fee is 100 pesos only for continuous innovation and product development. And lastly, does the copy have renewal fee? Yes po. We have fixed renewal fee of 10,000 pesos. Next is the copy franchise process flow. First po is our initial discussion. Parang ito pong ating business presentation. Second is area reservation. If hindi pa po final ang inyong location na paglalagyan, pwede po tayong magpa-reserve or mag-full payment para masecure na po ninyo yung promo slot natin. But don't worry po, this reservation is valid within 30 days. Next is the contract signing. Ito po ay either sa office or we will send it via email. Then, proceed po tayo agad sa processing ng product and inclusions and other additional orders niyo po. And after processing po, delivery na po tayo. So, our mode of delivery po is Lalamove para sa malalapit na area, bus to bus naman po para sa malalapit na provinces, and AP Cargo or Ninja Van po para sa Bismin area. So, sa training naman po, we have face-to-face and online training via Zoom para sa mga malalayong franchisee. Then, once po na ma-receive nyo ang inyong product,
and inclusions at nakapag-training na rin po kayo, you can start accepting orders na po. Reminder lang po, we have 3 slots remaining na lang po. You can reserve na po as early as now. And here's the copy payment method. We have BDO, BPI, GCash, and PayMaya. For our operating hour po, we're open po from Monday to Saturday, 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. Don't miss this opportunity for you. If you have any questions, you can contact and message us to our Facebook page, phone number, and email address provided in the screen. So I'm looking forward to working with you and witnessing your growth and success with the copy. Again, thank you for watching and have a great day.